In the observation of your experiment, okay? Introduce your group first.
Hello everyone, namaste. I am Priya Vishwakarma from Standard 9. I am the group leader of this group. She is Susila Thapa from Standard 6. She is Sophia Kharta from Standard 6. She is Sandhika Vishwakarma from Standard 7. She is Elsa Shrestha from Standard 6 and he is Vikas Yogi from Standard 8. We all have done same efforts to make this.
I can see you have brought many variety of this item, you know. Could you mention and demonstrate their first item?
Yes, this is item number 1. This object is called triangular prism and the opposite side of the triangular prism is called cross section.
Yeah.
If we cut it in middle, the cutting part will be same.
Yes, I can see there is triangular prism, yeah?
Yes,
but
sir.
each piece of this prism have equal size, equal shape, Anna.
Yes, sir.
That is the really purpose of this experiment now.
Yes, sir.
Just we are making this type of pieces. That means they are even smaller triangular prism, yeah?
Yes.
So in cross section, if the prism should have an equal size in the cross section. So we say this free, right?
Yes, sir.
But could you tell me the second item?
Yes, and this is item number 2. Here we have spoon and cylinder. The relation.
You try to demonstrate that cylinder shape, cone shape. Could you tell me the relation between them?
Yes, the relation between these two is the thrice time of this cone is the one cylinder.
You can show, demonstrate how you prove that thrice time the cone will equal to cylinder in their volume.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can show that. We are observing now. She's trying to prove her experiment now. You know, she say the volume of the cylinder always consists of 3 times of the cone consist. The she say now. Yes, I could see. Just consist of cone. Seems to be inside. One time you complete now. That is should mention 3 times. Especially in mathematics, this type of feature structure, this type of cone cylinders are so common now in real life as well. So he's trying to prove our volume. Yeah. Yes, you attempt second. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Speak and do, okay? Talk and act.
Okay.
Now, second time you have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on. Yes. She complete now. Thanks. Wow. I could see just really she proved now. 3 times the cone volume equal to the volume of one cylinder. Yes, thanks. Come to the third item. Just some briefing.
And here we have third item is factorization.
Factorization.
We can show this in this concept also and in this concept also.
Just I could see you are factorizing, then making factor this all the variable, you know, x square one side, then x, then number. What is the mission? What is the objective of showing this type of the algebraic symbol? Factorization. That we factorize means we make pieces in this type of the physical part, you know.
Yes, sir.
Then that can be symbolized in algebraic form as well. So these are the part. You make the part in physical way that can be demonstrated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, third part. This is all about you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you mentioned 3. Thank you. Your project, your experiment. So you evaluate later on. Best of luck. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
ल थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच